Hi everyone, so in this video we'll learn how to remove all the items from an array using JavaScript. So let's get started. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Link to a style sheet. Add the script file at the bottom, which is script.js. We need one div element here. Inside this div we need one button. Let's make it remove. We need one empty UL element. We'll populate it later. Save it. Go to style sheet. Select body element. Text align will be center. Select div element. Display will be inline block. Select button. Display will be inline block. Padding will be 10 pixels and 20 pixels. Later we'll have a couple of list items, so let's style them here. Font size will be 20 pixels. Font weight will be bold. Margin left will be -40 pixels. List style will be none. Save it. Go to JavaScript file. Let's create an array of username and display it on the web page. So we'll have a couple of names here. For example, Peter, Max, James, Mary, Ronald. Okay. Let's create a function here. It will be add users. We need a variable template. We'll use map function here, so it will be users.map and create an array of list items like this. We'll form a string using join method and we'll join it by the new line character. Now let's select the UL element here. Sorry for that. Should be document.query selector. Here HTML will be equal to template. Let's call this function here. Save it. Open this file in the browser. And this is the output. Now on the click of this button, I want to remove all these items. Let's go to JavaScript file. Here, select the button, which is remove. Add event list to the button, which is click. This is the handler function. There are multiple ways to remove all items from the array, but I will show you a very simple approach. So we'll simply set this variable equal to an empty array and call this add users method. So this is all what you have to do to remove all the items from an array. Save it, go to browser, click, you can see all the items are gone. So that's it. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.